Hello everyone, my name is Tom. Welcome back to my tutorial. Today we are going to do something special. We are going to make a waving effect by using ClipPath and animation builder. Alright, before start, all the materials I use in this project will be listed in the description below. Now, in this tutorial, I just use my prepared course and I will explain as we are going. Okay? This is a brand new project, and I will need the classes, and I will remove everything else. Okay? Oh, and I need I just keep the scaffold back. Okay, in this class I need override two methods. One is init and one is display. Okay, so I just leave them for now. I will come back later. Now, in this graphic, I need to declare the background, and I need to give it a color. So I have background color, give it white, and the body, of course. I need a column. Okay. So if you look at the design, most of the Flutter app display elements inside a column, so all the contents will be lined in vertically. Okay, so that's why here I will use column. Okay, and inside the column we have student. Now the first element I will need here is stack. Why stack? If you look at the design here, there are three things stuck on each other: the background here, and the title and the subtitle. Okay, now back to the code. Inside student, I need a stack. Okay, and inside the stack we also have student. Okay, the first element will be the background. So to design background, I need a container, and inside container I need to declare a height and width. So up here I need a variable, I call it sign, and this sign will take care of the height and the width of the app. Okay, inside this container I have the height, which is 50% of the total app. Okay, and declaration here. So in these declarations, you see the box declarations, and you have two color from orange to yellows. So I need linear gradients. Okay, begin from the bottom left and end at top right, and this is two color here. Okay, and in this stack I need everything aligned in the center, so I give a lemon in the central here, up there. Okay, the container is done. Now next I need title and the subtitle. First one, Okay, now let's test it. Okay, now everything worked as I expected. Okay, now the design step is done for now. Okay, we are going to move in next element. We're going to design the title here and the inputs. Okay, in here I need text. I need the title text, and I need to customize the inputs. So I need a container. Inside the container, I will have width, which is take 80% of the total width. Okay, now I also need markings from the top, and just 18 pixel. Okay, and the choice. Now from here, because the design of the input is the same, so I need a function return the same class, return the same widgets, but this has some parameters. It's a hint, and it checks the input is the password or not. So down here I will have a function that's which return the widgets, and I call it input, and it have two parameters. First one, the strings, is a hint, and the second one is optional. So this one is boolean. It check the input is the password or not. Okay, so I give the default value is false, and okay, and here I return a text field. Okay, now the first one, the text fields is the passwords or not, and obscure text is part here, and declarations, which will be to customize their input. So I just copy what I have done here. Okay, now hint text will be here. Alright, I just need that input here, and here I have username, so name, and I need the same thing here. Down here is password. Okay, and this is obscure text. This pass I give it true. Okay. Okay. Now, and everything left I will just copy and paste. If you want to follow along, so you can pause my videos and type it in. Okay. Alright. Now the next thing I want to do is ClipPath the top here. So if you have the curve on the bottom, now back in here on the stack, in the stack here in the container, I will wrap this container with the ClipPath. First wrap new widgets. Okay, and in this ClipPath I need a clipper. For now I just draw a clip, a class, and I will declare below here. And this class will be custom clipper, and path. Okay, and I need to create two missing override method. Alright, on this one I will return override true. Okay, now for this path I need to return a path, so I will declare a path here, call it path, and equal path. Okay, and the first one, the path go from line up to from 0, and size from 0 here to 80% of total height. So here size touch height term 80%. Okay, and I also need correlations of the central, so I would call true value double center and y center. This one will be size width with the 50% of the width. Okay. And here I will list the just equal the height from now. Okay, and so this is a tricky path, so I'm sure there are plenty of documents out there you can read about it. So basically what we're going to do here, I need to move the path quarter basis 2. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but see how it's path slide 2. So you can go Google it and try to understand about this more, but too easy to understand. And here, this is how does it look like. Okay, and for visualize and more understanding about how you can change this, so I suggest you go to this site and just play around, so it can understand more how does this one work. So basically you just need 3 points, this point and this point. Okay, so these 2 points is fixed and this point will be moving around. Okay, so for now I just need to curve like this, so this is the point what I needed. Okay, here I'll have X center and Y center, and this one will be equal to size I, and this one will be size 80% of the height. Okay, and last but not least, you have to close the path, which is to side, and this one is 0. Okay. Okay. I need to hot reload it. Oh, yeah, I need to return a path. What just happened? Oh, I think I wrapped a wrong container. So, not this one. This one. Okay. Oh, why is this? Oh, it's not high here. It's the width. Okay. Now we need just one more thing, that we have to animate the ClipPath. So here I need the animated builder. Okay. And inside here, animation and the builder. Okay, and I remove the everything from the ClipPath. To the builder, and here I have to return the ClipPath. Okay, and for the animations I need the animation controller. Up here I need a variable called animation controller, and we'll call it controller. Okay, And this class I need one more thing besides than the state. I need invoke a single ticker provider. Single ticker provider means, yes, this one. Okay, and inside the init step I need to initialize the controller, and this one equal to enemy controller, and this one touch server parameter. The first one is the value. So what is this? This one will be declare the first value will be animation will be returned. So the first one I will return is 0. When it start, will return 0, and the durations of the animations, how long the animation will take. So duration just give it 25 seconds. 25. Okay, and I will need two more things. The upper bounds 1, and the lower bound is -1. And one last thing is first sync is this. Okay, so what the upper bound and lower bound means? That means this animation controller will be running start from 0 and up to 1, and back to lower bound is -1. Okay, and this animation will be repeated. So yeah, and I just need to add animation controller to here. Okay, now just reload it. Now it seems everything is still the same, because this controller you have not yet to path through the ClipPath, so it don't know how to animate it. So here in the draw clip class I need a variable I will call it move 0. Okay, and this class and this class will take one parameters, and this one, this move. Okay, and back to up here I need to pass to the value of the controller. Okay, now back to below. Now if I print it here, move here. Now you can see the value is bouncing from -1 to 0 and 0 to 1, 1 back to -1. Okay. Okay. Now we have the moving path here. We need to change the path according to the move. Okay. if you remember what I have mentioned before, like you have to playing around, so playing around with this so you can imagine how the animation will work. So you need the coordination of this point, and if you can calculate correctly how this point moving around, then the path will be moving around like this. So I need to calculate exactly how the point move, and this is how the curve will be look like. Okay, that's why over here I need to declare two variables, the x center and the y center. Okay, in this x center I will add one more thing. Before that, I need a library called math, so I can calculate how does move. Okay, and in here I need to let's see. I need to move the coordinates of the x and y, so I will add math scene of move, and one more thing here, because it moving around, that means I need to pi, so I will call another value here, size equal to math.pi. Okay, so move time slice. Okay, nothing quite changed yet. And I also need to change the y center, so in here I'll add math cos move time size. Let's reload it. Why is not moving? Maybe this one is too small for the pixel, so I need to increase the movement here. So what I need the term size width term 60% of the width, 60% of the width. Okay, let's see. Oh guys, it has something. Okay, so you just need to play around, so you find the situation, I mean some numbers you can play around, so you can move like whatever you want. So if I plus one here, just move around right here. What I need is just move on up and down, So I need to change down here the Y center and plus I don't know 69 time mascos. I think that's moving too deep, so just reduce the height. So I just need 80% of the height. 80% of the height. Alright, now you have it. Okay. Okay, now one more last thing. Because the animation builder will render the widgets every time the value is changed, so there one thing you need to change here is the draw grip. Okay, so the container will be the fixed content. So for the optimizations, I will move the container as a child of the animation builder. Child here, moving the container over here, and this one will be automatically passing to the builder method here, and we have the child which is here, and we passing here. Okay, everything was the same, but it will be rendered faster. Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you for watching my videos, and if you like this video, give it thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channels, and see you later. Okay, bye.